All right, good morning, everyone. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning. Yeah. Can you see what's going on, man? Welcome back, everyone. Happy Wednesday, guys. Welcome back. You guys are joining me from the home setup today. We got an injured Sammy, so we're staying home today. Hope everyone's doing well. We got some, we could have some good trades on London today. Yeah, been very up and down today, but some massive, massive ranges. Like 100 rip up, and kind of similar to yesterday. 100 rip up in Asia, 150 rip back down, and then another almost 100 tick rip back higher. Good morning from Hamburg. Good morning, man. If you guys see me moving a bit funny, I have hurt my neck again from doing Muay Thai. I don't know why I keep doing this, but here we are. Not anywhere near as bad as last time. I do have a stiff neck, so bear with me. Let's have a look. Let me just make sure everyone is in. Yeah, cool. Cool. Good morning, man. Good morning, everyone. There's some very interesting levels on gold today. Some very big pushes yesterday. Liquidity grab in Asia, breakout. Liquidity grab here in London, continuation. And they're kind of creating a bit of a range here today in Asia. But we do have this beautiful all-time high liquidity sitting above. All-time high liquidity sitting above here. Now, we did have this lovely buy opportunity in Asia. Up into yesterday's high was, was our liquidity level from the Asian market call. You can kind of see here, it's pretty beautiful. As you came down, grabbed the lows, closed bullish. Maybe buying on the break of that candle. Gave it about 40 ticks, up to like highs of 70. But what did we not do? We still haven't grabbed all-time highs. But we have grabbed previous daily highs, which is why you're kind of, major support being held at 925, major all-time high resistance as well. Although I do believe there's a very high chance that we're going to liquidate these all-time highs because a lot of people who would be selling here will have stops above there. That doesn't mean, you guys as you know from the market, that doesn't mean you can't have pullbacks from this area. But let's just have a look at the high time frame. Would I like to short gold today? Personally, not really. I'm personally not really interested in trying to short gold. I am, what have I done here? Let me just fix this. I am more interested in buying gold today. You can kind of see here, look at this 4 hour, came down, liquidated the lows, held support. If this 4 hour can start to flip bullish, 2950 is not too far away either. Is there any reason to go long right now? Not really, not just yet. We're currently grabbing previous hourly highs, starting to hold this resistance. So we have hourly resistance up there and we have hourly support being formed right here. Big resistance, broke above, held it, broke it, ripped lower, broke above, held it, pushed higher. A lot of manipulation later on, earlier on this morning. Now you've kind of broken up. So if we can come down and hold this area, we could have some buys. But we kind of see we're grabbing hourly highs, holding resistance, and starting to have a little bit of a pullback. I know there's no top wick on this 30-minute candle, which is crazy. So no top wick on this current 30-minute candle. Previous candle closed above, so a good bullish sign. But now you're coming down very, very strong here. Very, very strong here. Yeah, a little. Yeah, you kind of see it here. How many lives? Oh, just one live a day. I don't do any more than that. One live a day. Market calls for every other session when we're not on stream. But I don't sit on stream for any longer than what you guys see me do here. We're extremely active in Discord outside of that. In terms of actually sitting here watching live markets, just what we do here. We do the market calls for New York and Asia every single day as well. Having a very, very decent dip down here on gold. Very, very decent dip down. So we kind of need to see this to see if you can start finding some support around. I mean, around here. You know, if this 30 does close back below this level, it looks like we're going to create a bit of a range. Do we have? You got here headers. You got left shoulder, head, right shoulder. You also have a left shoulder, head, right shoulder. You got two just in a range. What do we have? FOMC meeting minutes today, 7 PM London time. Nothing really tomorrow, and then PMI on Friday. So nothing too crazy this week. Not too much happening. But yeah, we did see that incredible push last night. It was just absolutely huge New York push. Let's have a look, Casey. Oh yeah, nice. When was that, man? When was that? 4 hour on the 50. Was that the Asia one? Yeah, it took 50 ticks before it dropped. Yeah, nice, man. Yeah, beautiful trade. So you got it from, yeah, literally on the break of that high. Yeah, huge, man, huge. That was a very, very nice trade, man. I like that trade. Really, that's probably the nicest trade so far today. Trade gold futures, yeah, absolutely. Trade the gold futures, but execute on the currency chart, which is why you guys are seeing this here. I'm gonna do the execution. We'll do it on the futures side. But yeah, we're gonna get this Audi closed soon here on gold. Looking like we're gonna close pretty bearish though, but it's 9 minutes away. Anything can happen. If we do close like this, hello, welcome back. If we do close like this, you know, maybe next hour top wick and play this range. I don't really like selling gold today, but you know that's looking pretty likely. With how, you know, bearish we're pushing. See if you come back up for a top wick into this area and then potential shorts down into here. Unless you get like a really good risk reward, I'd consider it, but I don't really want to be a seller on gold today. Not with how strong we closed yesterday. Yesterday broke above that all-time high resistance, liquidity above. I kind of just want to be following that, to be honest. I don't really want to be trying to trade against that. But if there's an opportunity to have a intraday pullback and we can get a good risk reward, you know, I will consider it. I will consider it. Pushing down pretty heavy here on gold. Lots of people will be shorting. Yeah, they would be. But I'll show you guys on YouTube the example I shared in Discord today. Let me go to high time frame. Where was it? Where was the example? There was a time when we were peaking at all-time highs. Maybe it was around here. You can kind of see here. Here was the time where you're at these all-time highs, and you know, you would have been saying at this point, you know, there's a high chance you're going to rip these highs, which I agree, you eventually did, but that doesn't mean you still can't have, you know, like 300 tick pullback, you know, 500 tick pullback, 300 tick pullback, like very, very, very big pullback. So although there is a high chance that we're going to liquidate them all-time highs, doesn't mean we can't still see some significant pullbacks. Although, like I say, I am favoring longs. I like the longs, but I'm not ignoring the fact that gold can still have some very large pullbacks from this area before, you know, seeing that continuation higher. But 7 minutes Should paint the picture here. You can kind of see here in the hourly, you got 1, 2, 3, 4 equal lows here as well. Didn't really grab too much. Trump speech already ended? Yeah, I think it ended a couple of hours ago, I believe. It's like 1 a.m., 2 a.m. New York time. I think it was quite a while away. But let's see, there is no top wick on this 30. I don't believe, it's going to be created in 6 minutes. But let's see, if we do start closing back below this level, maybe if we can just get back up to this area, and then we can consider a short. I'm kind of open to either. So I'm bullish on gold back above here, up into all-time highs. But as long as we close below this level, I will react to that. Oh, nice. Let me see this trade, man. So you got the longs. Nice. What time frame is that? Is it the 5 or 15? 15, yeah, 15. So you got long. Yeah, nice. Once you grab the lows and close bullish. Also 30-minute flip. I like that trade. That's actually a really nice trade. Closed 62 around here. And then another 28 there. That's a fantastic trade, man. It's a really nice trade. You had liquidity above here. Overall bullish bias. Liquidity grab for entry and a breakout. Very nice trade, man. I like that trade. Really, really nice trade. Good job, man. I like that. This is the level that we'd want to see held for buys. 5 minutes till this hourly. As soon as we get this hourly close, guys, we'll start breaking it down properly here. Just waiting to see this. Waiting to see this hourly here. It's the exact trade I got in earlier. Nice, good man, well done. Same as the guys on Discord. Yep. Made up for someone holding the first. Buy didn't come back to down stop loss. Yeah, good man, good man. That's what it's all about. It's good risk management. You can take a stupid trade and as long as you manage your risk here, you make it back quickly. Yeah, it was a really nice push. There's two of the nicest opportunities is these buys here in Asia, and then these buys here pre-London. Two fantastic trades. Goes out short from 52. Nice. 52 is amazing. 52 ticks is fantastic. You trade that at one contract. That's $520. You do that on top step account. That's huge. That's amazing. 52 ticks is amazing. Don't underestimate the power of 52 ticks. A very, very good trade. Very, very good trade. 3 minutes here on Goldie. 3 minutes, let's see. Let's see how this hourly starts to form. You can kind of see here, even on the 15 minute, what did you not really do before this dip down? You never really re-grabbed the highs. So you kind of didn't do the same thing here and here. So you kind of got some liquidity on both sides. 56 ticks for me. Nice. Well done. Well done. Let's have a look at the 5 minute. Give some entries. Not really. Kind of held some resistance, but no top wick on the 30. You wouldn't really be short a no 30 top wick. I was actually looking for some pullbacks during this move to continue buying here today into all-time highs. once it's kind of ripped up, kind of just started breaking down, and it was just a kind of free fall from there. Because even though you had this massive breakout, at any pullback, you know, you still had like 100 ticks into all-time highs, which is the overall target here. Overall target is all-time highs in 29.50, which would be a very, very big trade. Whether it comes in today or not, we shall see. We shall see. We've got about 1 minute till this. 1 minute until this hourly's going to close here, guys. If the 30 closes like this, we'll be looking for some top wicks and downside. How big is this range? Because this is the range we're kind of working with right now. 28 ticks, not bad. You kind of adapt it to here. That wick, these wicks, fake out, resistance, resistance, broken barb, support, 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 broken, top wick, resistance. See if we get that pullback. 1 minute to this, guys. Let me go check on Sammy, guys. I'll be 2 seconds. He's all good. He's all good. He's chilling. We do the analysis on the currency chart and execute on the futures chart because you get more liquidity grabs on the currency chart, which you don't get on the futures, which is very important. So 30 minutes just closed bearish. Again, you're coming down for an instant bottom wick here. So an instant bottom wick here means you start grabbing lows to pull back. So no sells for me here on gold. Instant bottom wick. How did the hourly close? A little bit doji. Still kind of holding this resistance though. I mean, buys when you get back above, to me, I think is going to be the nicest opportunity. What happened to Sammy? He's hurt his paw. I woke up this morning, he was limping very badly, so we took him to the vets and he's all bandaged up and offer some offer some x-rays tomorrow. So he's in bed resting. Been limping around all day. He's been in the wars. Yeah, he woke up this morning, could hardly walk, the poor puppy. That's why I'm streaming from here today. I was full-time carer. I'm a full-time dog carer. Trader turned full-time dog carer, that's what I am. The best job ever. How do you do that? I don't know, to be honest. We don't know. He was just fine, completely fine yesterday, running around on the beach, living his best life. Completely fine last night, and then yeah, just woke up this morning. It was he couldn't hardly walk. So I think he must have heard it yesterday running somehow, but gotta go for x-rays tomorrow to see what the issue is. But it'll be okay. Don't rush correlation with silver. Nah, I don't, man. I don't. I am in a silver swing trade. Somehow. Not somehow that I'm in it, I mean somehow that I'm still in it. Took this trade last Wednesday off this major support once you grabbed the lows. Looking for a continuation up into like 35. Was up a decent amount here. Didn't lock any in because it's a swing trade. Kind of came back down, then grabbed the lows, pushed up. Nice close yesterday, so. But nah, intraday correlation, nah, not really something I use, man. Not something I use. I honestly don't correlate anything with gold other than the currency chart and the futures chart. Swing trade is on a personal, man. Do some swing trades on my personal account. Top step is purely for intraday trading. Top step for intraday trading, and then yeah, personal for higher time frame and higher time frame swings, and like 30-minute and hourly plus trades. It's 5 p.m. with me, man. 5 p.m. 5 p.m. This really could shape up here. If we start to get above here, we're gonna have fantastic buys today in London. It's a big if just yet, because the hourly kind of has, grabbed highs, closed bearish. If we grab lows, closed bullish, fantastic. But we'd need to see them fake out buys. But if you do get them fake out buys, from here to here is going to be a fantastic trade. Even from here back up into Asia highs is like 60 ticks, run us into 100. Would be beautiful. The reason I'm not taking the sells, like I said I'd be interested in, is because the 30-minute opened, instantly pushed down and grabbed lows, and now trying to find some support. Oh, the DAX. Yeah, let's have a look at the DAX, man. Give me 2 seconds, guys. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Let me just put some lights on it. It looks very dull in here. That's a bit better. A bit better. All right, let's have a look. Let's have a look. What's copper been up to? Let's have a quick look at copper. Let's have a look at everything quickly. We got time on gold. We got time. How did copper close yesterday? How's copper looking on the weekly, actually? Hasn't quite grabbed last week's lows, which is a very nice liquidity level, actually. Let's get rid of these for a second. So copper's been on a bit of a downtrend here. We had a massive pullback after reaching some highs. We're having a large push down. We've left a perfect double bottom here. So liquidity sitting below here on copper, which could bring in some nice shorts. If we start getting maybe back below this level, what would that be? 60 tick range, yeah, that's quite nice. Let's set an alert there on copper. Copper starts getting back below there. That could be a nice play. The DAX, let's have a look, man. Let's have a look. Look at the DAX. Just still, that daily has just been non-stop. You kind of want to do the same thing again. Look at that. Yesterday you came up, grabbed the highs, massive sell-off, and it was just bought back up straight away. Where? At previous resistance. Came into previous resistance. Anyone who shorted this move, taking profit down there, and that's where the buyers are stepping back in and push this straight back higher. About 9 a.m. London time. What a recovery. So if we can see something similar on the DAX, that would be nice. If I was going to be buying the DAX, I would be looking for something like similar, come down, grab the lows, and then continue buying. So I'm not really personally interested in trying to catch this, but once I do see this and this big rejection, that is what I'm interested in, because at least that way I'm following how the markets have been moving for the past 2 months. Whereas if I'm wrong trying to go short, I'd feel really stupid. But if I was wrong trying to go long, that's fine. At least I'm following the trend. So if we could see something like this on the DAX, come down, grab the lows, get back above, amazing. Oh, look at Goldie, guys. Goldie could be shaping up here today for us. Goldie could be shaping up here for us. Would a 15-minute fake out be enough? Yeah, possibly. I think so. You grab the lows, you break above. A 15 break back above this level with liquidity sitting above here. I think this could be a good trade for us. Get the mics up, boys. Yeah, you tell him, Mikey. You tell him, man. You tell him. Afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, man. There's a fake out when we engulf the previous candle. Yeah, that's a type of fake out. There's different types of fake outs. You know, you can even have a... It doesn't always have to engulf for it to be a fake out. Say if you have a level here, you know, prices closed below it, pretty aggressively bearish. As long as you close back above it and, you know, you wick out the lows, it's going to be a terrible candle drawing, but you know, as long as you wick out the lows and you close back above, it doesn't have to break that high, but to me, that's a big fake out. As long as you close back above the support, and then on a higher time frame, you'd look up, you know, it might be you might get a 15-minute closure below and then a 15-minute closure back above. And then you go look at the 30-minute time frame, and that 30-minute is just a nice big wick rejection. That's what confirms a nice fake out to me. Let's see if we kind of did it here. Like as this is kind of grabbing the lows and holding above, was that a 5-minute fake out? Yeah. You broke the support, grabbed the lows, broke back above. That's a fake out. You go look at the higher time frame. Beautiful liquidity grab. Ooh, let's see, Goldie. We're going to get above, or we're going to get back below. I think I might blow my account. I accidentally hit entry on gold buy from 29.51. 29.51. I mean, if you accidentally got in the trade, man, just get out of it. Get out of it and wait. If you think you're going to blow your account, just cut the trade. Accept the mistake and get back in when it represents itself. But don't hold on to a losing trade just for hope. Yeah, we close on copper. Very nice, Sean. Yeah, I agree, man. Very, very nice. Got 10 nice short. Nice. Yeah, you had some good trades on copper, Sean. It's good to see. Been long on copper since yesterday. Yeah, good work, man. Beautiful. It's had a very nice run up. Where do you get it from? 28.95. 28.95. Ooh, from Asia? Huge. And 29.12. So from Asia and what, around here. Kind of similar setup, you know, grab the lows, broke out. Grab the lows, broke out. Very, very, very nice. Can we place a trade in gold futures? Place trade in gold? Absolutely. I will be trading on my Top Step funded accounts here today with you. As soon as we get the trades, I'll fire up the Top Step account, and you guys will see me trading on that as well. Oh, we got a trade. Nice. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Let me just copy the link. Let me copy your code. So how do I share this? Okay. Let's have a look. I'll show you guys on Zoom as well. We've got time here. So just someone sharing in their chart. So what have you got? You've got, let's have a look. So this was a loss you took yesterday, did you say? Loss I took yesterday during London. Let's have a look. So you got long as you were holding the support, I believe. 2 equal 15-minute highs. Yeah, nice. Previous 15-minute grab, the lows. Previous 15-minute lows were grabbed and a price to flip bullish. Yeah, it looks nice on that time frame. It depends how it was on, you know, like the 30-minute. Like to me, this is a huge rejection. This is a massive, massive rejection and bearish close. Although you did grab the lows and close bullish, you're grabbing highs and closing bearish, grab the lows and closing bullish. To me, that signifies a bit of a range. London was very choppy yesterday, so let me have a look at that. Let me fire that up on my charts. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at it whilst we wait for this Goldie to see if we can get this breakout. So you got it yesterday around here. Where are we? Yeah, you can kind of see, yeah, massive 30 resistance. massive 30 support. It was just one big range. So although the 15-minute was nice, you know, definitely not the worst trade in the world. Let's see, you got it from about here. Definitely not the worst trade, but it's like, you know, you're buying and you kind of adjust on the 15 to, I'd be looking at this on the 15. Although you are holding that level, you have broken, you got resistance here, you broke above it, broke straight back below. So you got resistance there and you got support there, then you got support down there. So it's kind of what I was saying yesterday in London, is like there was so much noise. There was a lot of noise. I took a 10-tick loss yesterday on gold in this range, but it was very, very risky because, you know, you wicked out highs, which was nice to push down, then you grab the lows and then close bullish. So if I see price grabbing highs and then grabbing lows, I'm like, probably a bit of a range. So let me just clean this up and I'll be like, okay, cool. Here's my resistance. Here's my support. This is my no trade range. If we break to the upside, I'm going to have some longs. If we break to the downside and have reasons to go short, I will go short. That's the only thing I would say with that trade. But yeah, London was a little bit difficult. As long as you manage risk, definitely a good trade. Something to just always be wary of is just, you know, even if you're trading on the 15, just always flick back and have a look at them. Have a look at them higher time frame closures. Multi-time frame analysis is very, very key. Yeah, it's coming in. Absolutely love this group. I never felt confident trading gold before. Amazing, man. That's what we like to hear. That's what we like to hear. Buy setting up. Yeah, let's have a look. Let's have a look. I don't really trade GJ now. I have traded GJ before. I have traded GJ before, but not in a while. Not in a good while. I love just Goldie. I have had some fantastic trades on GJ before, but since I moved to futures, it's just, yeah, gold only. Thanks for the help. Yeah, no worries, man. Hey, Ash, what's going on, man? That's a face we like to see in the morning. Yeah, look at this. We're pushing up here on Goldie. We're grabbing the lows. We're breaking out bottom wick on this next 15, and we're going to have some beautiful buys here. Where's the futures? Futures is not really anywhere near. Futures on the 15 has no bottom. Oh, wait. Wrong time frame. So we've got liquidity sitting up here and here. So 15-minute grab, yeah, instant top wick. So again, I need to see a bottom wick before I can buy this on gold. You've opened, instant top wick. So this to me confirms a very, very nice 15-minute fake out, especially you grab the lows and close back bullish. Very nice fake out. It's also a 4-hour rejection support level. Massive support. So all I want to see is this 15. Just give us a bottom wick. And we're going to see if we can get these longs. See if we can get these buys. Appreciate it. Yeah, no worries at all. It's always good to share your trades and just get that other outlook. But yeah, I took a loss in London yesterday. London was very choppy yesterday. As long as you manage your risk, you know, well, that's all you can do. Execute what you see and manage your risk. That's all you can do. But London was very, very choppy yesterday. Which, you know, sometimes it's easy to look back and go, oh yeah, you know, I was trading in a shit range. But sometimes you have to take a trade in a range to be able to see that, oh yeah, this is actually a range. Like you need to get a real position in the markets to get a really good feeling for it. But then once you kind of do get a feeling for it and maybe you take a small loss, then, you know, cut that loss, take that step back and wait. What you don't want to do is take a loss in a range and then just keep revenge trading the range. And then that's when you blow up. If you take a trade and you see it starts to go sideways, which you, like I say, you have to take a trade at least once to know if it's going to go sideways. As soon as you can recognize that, cut it and wait. Cut it and wait. So we'll see a bottom wick here on Goldie, guys. We'll see if we get these buys. Yeah, London got me yesterday. Yeah, me too. I lost about 10 ticks yesterday. Hey, Stevie, welcome back. Your loss yesterday? I'll have a look. As soon as gold shapes up, I'll absolutely have a look. Why do I like gold futures? Just the execution is fantastic. I love the execution side. Not having to deal with how do I share it? Not having to deal with spreads for day trading. You know, just instant execution. Top Step, I think, is a fantastic funding firm as well. community-driven trading simulator. Wow. Nice, Maverick. Let me have to take a look at this after. Nice. I'm up $19 today. Big dog over here. Ballin'. Just caught long from 29.47.4. 20 ticks. Nice. I'm trying to get the same. My upside target is all-time highs. Although these like kind of areas would be levels where I would have to manage my trade, my targets are much higher today. Much higher. Well, let's have a look, Ash. Is that the DAX? I think if that is the DAX, you have copied my analysis. You're looking for a deeper retracement though. Drinks on your other treat, yeah, absolutely. Get that payout. Oh, you're looking for it to come up, pop up first, then. Did you see oh no, Sammy's coming. What are you doing, buddy? Can I show you guys? What are you doing, buddy? You should be asleep. Let me get him. Don't grab the highs. Gotta give us a bottom wick. It might not come in this, it might come in the next 15 we grab the lows. Oh, Sammy. What are you doing, buddy? Where are you up to? Oh. Show everyone your bad paw. You're just hopping around. Yeah, 100% he is. I'm like, are you faking? Look at the paw. Oh, buddy. Like a baby. Oh, sorry. I just hit your paw. Sad today, buddy. Look how sad he is. He just wants to go and play and run on the beach. Oh, I said the naughty word. I gotta make some money first. I'm only up $19 today. That's not gonna pay for dog food, is it? No. Let's put you on the couch, buddy. Yeah, we need to get some gold buys for Sammy. That's what we need to do. You guys on YouTube, drop a like for Sammy's paw. It doesn't look as though we're going to have to drop it off. Oh no, don't say that. Don't say that. See, look at this. 15 open instant top wick straight into that resistance. We do have a perfect double top. Look at that, perfect double top. We can come down, grab some lows. Look at that, 5 minute, grab the lows, flip back bullish. What was that? How big are these ranges? 20 ticks, not bad. Not bad. Speedy recovery, Sammy. Everyone's rooting for you, buddy. Poor doggo, I know, man, I know. He's been in the wars. See, is this 30 looking? Yeah, 30's looking beautiful as well. I would love to see this bottom wick into the lows and then flip. And then we're trying to buy up into the Asia high as well, which I would love to hold this at for an actual decent position. So if we do get long here today, guys, we're looking for buys below previous 5 minute lows here. Which if we on screen, Futures is, where's the futures? Futures is slightly different. But even below, on the futures below the current 5-minute low would actually still be nice as well. Basically the same area. Yeah, grab the lows and flipping. Yeah, definitely. Definitely. Ooh, copper bouncing. Copper still pushing. DAX trying to bounce. I am new. What was the ticker for gold spot US dollar? This. Yeah, easy swing. I agree. Yeah, if you want more as an easy swing. I'm in some swings on silver at the minute, Ash, which I've been in since last week on the personal. Trying to get this play back into 35. But yeah, if you are looking for a higher time frame play, yeah, like this up into these highs is gonna be really nice. Yeah, no time, easy. It's not been the easiest day on gold though. There's been some good opportunities, but you know, 1 minute you're up and you're all the way back down, then you're kind of aggressively ranging, then you're kind of ripping up with no bottom wick, now grabbing the lows and pushing. How do we got to this 15 close? Yeah, 15's looking good. As long as we close around here and don't grab these highs, I like this to come down, liquidate the lows, and then flip bullish. I really like that. I want to see us kind of hover around here, stall around here for a couple of minutes, and then try and get that. I think that's going to be a good trade. Good morning, Aaron. Everyone else, good morning, man. Welcome. Yeah, silver, man. Nowhere near as valuable as gold. Not even close to all-time highs either. Not even close. Silver looks like a crypto chart. A lot of videos popped on my channel about reevaluating gold. Sell stop at 29.47. Is that on the futures chart? 29.47. It's pretty far away. I think that's all the way back down below here. I wouldn't really try and predict. You know, you're saying there, is that a good sell stop for a sudden sell-off? I don't really think like that personally. I don't really think, you know, could we come down here and sell off? It's like, yeah, maybe. I want to see what's right in front of me. You know, if we start aggressively closing back below these areas, then, you know, maybe you could look for the sells. But to look for put a sell stop down here right now, to me, it's a little bit of predicting. Yeah, I think it was just a pullback. Yeah, it was up 17 and yeah, ended up a loss. Yeah, honestly, it was. I didn't expect it to come in that hard at all. I was like, we start pulling back, holding these areas, bam, longs. Just to be honest, even if I was in this, I would have closed some, but I really was like, you're gonna rip these highs easy. Look at the 15 come back down here. And yeah, that's the thing. Yeah, like gold. Like look at gold on the daily right now. How did yesterday close? If you just get rid of today's candle, like, let's not think too much. Let's just what is happening right in front of us. Is gold bullish or bearish? I still got a pole going. Look at that. Like, and you know, the thing is, you don't even have to look all the way back down here. I like when I'm intraday trading, I look at the previous day. How did the previous day close? Okay, cool. Previous day closed bullish. Okay, what am I going to do coming on to chart say? Am I going to go short? Not really. Why would I go short today? You're holding major support. You're grabbing massive lows. You've been bullish since the start of the year. Do I want to be the one trying to call the top? Could I make a couple of ticks? Yeah, maybe. But am I here to make a couple of ticks, or am I here to make a real career in trading? So although you could get some intraday sells, that's fine, but you have to understand that that's just a pullback trade and the overall trend is bullish. So the more logical thing to do right now would be look for continuation buy setups, just for me personally anyway. So yeah, I could take a couple of ticks out the markets, maybe trying to get short. I personally, and this is just me personally, if I took a short today on gold and I got stopped out, I personally would feel really stupid. Why would I feel stupid shorting gold? But I'd look back at the trend and be like, why was I trying to short gold and trade against yesterday's bullish bias? The only reason I'm trying to short gold today is because I'm potentially emotional that I, for whatever reason, maybe didn't get this. You know what I mean? It's like if you have elements to, you know, maybe take some little pullback trades, that's fine. You know, I'll only take pullback trades against the overall bias maybe on a combine or if I'm leveraging some of the money that I've made on the way up. But if you haven't made anything on the way up, trying to short in these regions is, yeah, you're just trying to put your opinions and fight the markets, in my opinion. I'm not saying your ideas bad or wrong or anything like that, man. You know, you guys are here to trade your plan. I'm just here to give my thought process, and my thought process is trade what you see, trade what's right in front of us. We're grabbing lows, holding support. We have upside bullish bias. Let's just trade that for now. If we do start aggressively breaking back below here, could you look for pullback trades? Yeah, maybe if you really wanted to. Will I? Probably not. We'll let the markets come to us. No. Great critique. Yeah, that's what it's all about, man. We're just sharing ideas and all helping each other get better. Oh, look at this. Okay. Is that even a close? Very bullish. 15-minute close, bit dodgy, but still pretty nice. Instant, why are you getting instant top wick again, Goldie? We don't instant bottom wick. So you are holding resistance and you are holding support, but still you've closed massively back above this level with a bullish bias. I still want to get long here on gold. I just need a bottom, look at that, came down, grabbed lows, held support. I need a bottom wick here. Great critique, awesome. Yeah, that's it, man. We're all here to help each other grow. Don't be embarrassed, you know, for anyone to share any trade ideas. That's the thing, there's no right or wrong answer in trading. That's the thing. I could be bullish on the day, someone could be bearish on the day. It's not to say I'm right and you're wrong. It's just how we perceive the markets, and that's what makes trading so unique, right? Everyone perceives the markets in their own way, and there's nothing wrong with that. So if gold now goes short, just disregard everything I just said. I'm just kidding. And, you know, sometimes, you know, like for instance here today, like, you know, I had a bullish bias on the markets today for this push up. So when I see this push down, I see this push down here, and I'm like, oh great, this is a pullback for me to keep buying. Like I personally don't see this pullback, this big short, and be like, oh damn it, what did I miss? Why did I not sell that? I should have shorted here. I should have shorted here. I don't care. My bias is bullish today. I see this pullback as an opportunity for me to continue buying. I got a little bit of a bottom wick here now. It's kind of hard to buy here though. Yeah, some of the guys in the community use that higher time frame indicator. It does look very nice. Alpha 49, good work. Yeah, I'll have a look at GU soon, for sure. Yeah, wildly bushes. Yeah, man, the tax is just ridiculous. Literally ridiculous. Like, and this is the first time I've actually probably started watching the DAX. You know better than me, Ash. I don't know if you've ever seen just non-stop ripping like that. Literally since January, just non-stop. Like, you know, you do get some beautiful runs, but you still do have like, you know, big pullbacks. You kind of did it here early. To be fair, early last year as well. To be fair, when you push, you do push. Oh wow. Oh wow, yeah, look at that. Oh my days. Look at that. What's up, team? Hey man, what's going on? Yeah, bottom wick coming down here, which is nice. Welcome back, man. Sammy will let you know. Sammy's out of action today. Sammy can't do anything today. starting to come back down here on gold. Not the best 15-minute close. Check euro. Yeah, let's have a look. Let's have a look. I want to see this grab the lows. You're going to come that close. If you push from here, you're going to have 2 equal lows. Let's have a look at the euro. Let's have a look. Well, what's the US dollar been up to? What was this? That was my analysis. Look at that. Don't know what that art was. Whether it was good or not, I'm not really too sure. You guys on YouTube, 188 people tuning in. Remember, drop a like for the stream. Let's have a look. Let me just have a quick look at the US dollar. Wait, let me just put... Actually, wait. It's clear. Let me do this properly. Let me just keep gold here because I need to keep an eye on gold. I don't want to miss these buys. Keep an eye on gold here. Let's have a look at the euro here. Let's have a look. Weekly, bullish, daily, major resistance, liquidity above, bearish close yesterday, but where did you close at? Right at a big level of support. Look at this, huge area for the euro. So it depends on what you were looking at for. But if I was looking at this, to me this is a very nice push up, kind of corrective pullback. I would be looking for continuations. Personally, if I was looking at the euro, I wouldn't really be interested in any downside. I'd be looking for some breaks back above. So I wouldn't buy it now. It's still kind of, you know, pretty bearish. If you can get back above, I like the look of longs. Could you maybe come down and re-grab these lows? Yeah, possibly, but would I want to trade in this range? Not really. If you came down, grabbed lows, broke back above, yeah, longs could be nice. That's the 4-hour time frame as well. You can kind of see, so you got resistance being formed there, support being formed down there. Buy side, yeah, nice man, nice. You kind of, for an intraday trade though, I would be careful in kind of this area. There's a pretty big grab of the highs and pulling back, so I wouldn't want to be a buyer just yet. That's a pretty strong grab of the highs. If I was buying the euro, it'd, you know, maybe once you kind of start breaking out. Let's have a look, Goldie. Goes a bit doji. Let's have a look at the pound. Remember, you guys who trade currencies, you can trade all of these currencies on Top Step as well. Just it's the same thing. Pound futures is the same thing as GBP USD. Let's have a look at pound futures. Pound futures, let's have a look. Oh, grabbing 15-minute lows here on gold. So we're grabbing the 15-minute lows, 30 minutes coming down for a bottom wick. If we start to look like we're going to flip from around here, we can start looking for some buys. Let's have a look at the pound. Pound looks very strong. Daily, again, big resistance. Pretty overextended to me. This is a bit different to euro. So this to me, big resistance. I think this could probably pull back. If I was gonna be buying this overall trend on the pound, where would I be doing it? Well, I'd be doing it from down here. So if I'd be a buyer from down here, does that mean there's an opportunity for me to look for intraday sells back down? Yeah, if I can find a reason to do so. I wouldn't be buying from up here. Trading view notification always makes me jump. Yeah, me too, man. Me too. I literally have them going off. I clear them every day, but I literally must wake up with like, I don't know, 5 alerts every single day. Yeah, looking for a pullback in pound. Yeah, nice. I think pullbacks look good, to be honest, man. If I was going to trade pound or euro today, it'd be the pound. You're grabbing some highs as well, holding some major resistance. Is it goose? So you can change it. I've always had a, yeah, to be fair, I hate this and this noise. How do you? No. Sorry guys, it's gonna annoy everyone. Maybe I'll do that after. Nah, they're all awful. They're all awful. once. 3 seconds now, just once is good. Yeah, record it, send it to me. Create a bit of a range here on Goldie. Look at the owlie. I got a smoke alarm. Yeah, honestly, sometimes it makes me jump, and it comes so loud on my phone. Please don't do that again. Yeah, I won't. That's a bit too loud. I have a new YouTube video coming out tonight, guys, about how to become a full-time trader, and if you should actually quit your job, and at what point you should quit your job. I've got that coming out tonight. Let me change this dodgy music. She had a lot of key tips in it. Hopefully it'll help you guys. Kind of get a lot of chop here on gold. Bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish. We are at major all-time high resistance, so creating a noise in this area isn't really too surprising, to be honest. You kind of have to accept that. Doesn't mean we can't get some good trades. If we start, I'm watching the 5 minute on the futures. If this 5 minute on the futures looks like it's going to flip, then cool, we got longs. To at least, to at least grab this resistance. At least. I like the futures chart to come back up into 29.56. Kind of see even it's kind of got like a big. But I'm not trying to catch this bottom just yet. Price action is getting a little bit choppy. 5 minute just closed bearish there as well. Oh Ash, don't man, don't. I quit trading. It's horrible. You had some good trades yesterday, didn't you? I think I also had some nice plays yesterday. You guys on Zoom as well, feel free to send over any charts or any trades or anything like that, or anything else you guys are looking at. Gold, stocks, Nasdaq, anything you guys want, we can have a look at. 5 minute closed bearish there on gold, no bottom wick. If we grab the lows and engulf bullish back above here, then great, we're buying. Let me get rid of the alert, we're going to watch it. Oh, I don't have to go, yeah. Always the way, man. Keep hearing my name. Yeah, it's a different Ash, different Ash. Leo, yep, we'll have a look at Nasdaq, man, absolutely. Yeah, there's 2 Ashes. You guys got to fight it out. 11%. Damn. That's huge. USD yen, yep, we'll have a look. Yeah, this could be this thing. This 30 could flip. I don't want to miss this 30 minute. It's got 18 minutes. How's the 15? 15 still grabbing the lows. If the 15 flips bullish, that's the trade we want. So we want to look to go long if this 15 can flip bullish. Manage down this area and see if we're going to get this run up here. Let's have a look at Nasdaq. What did we do yesterday? What did we do? So we're coming very close to all-time highs. Has the S&P grabbed all-time highs? No, not quite. Coming up some big areas though, some big areas. Yesterday looked like closed pretty doji on the Nasdaq. Looking like it may be time for a bit of a pullback. Let's have a look. Little trendline breakout yesterday. Decent close to the end of the day though, grabbing the lows, holding support. You can kind of see you're potentially forming a sort of inverse head and shoulders, potentially. Low time frame. There's some big rejections I actually wouldn't want to be. Although it does, the daily time frame, I look at it as, the daily could have a bit of a pullback, but would I want to be, let me just go on the 5 minute here. Would I want to be selling the Nasdaq? Not really. You do have some major areas down here. This is just more of an overall outlook before I look for any intraday opportunity. Kind of had some big levels down here. Big support, broke it. Resistance, massively got back above. So I'd say maybe you can just pull back a little bit, and I'd say continue buying. You have some nice liquidity up here as well. You can kind of see little, as an Asia trade, you grabbed highs, closed bearish. So you're still kind of pushing down. So I wouldn't have any, if I want buys though, you know, and this is why sometimes it can be, predict the next GameStop, I wish. I wish. This is why, you know, when you have a bias, it's quite easy to not jump in a trade too early, because we can kind of use these barriers to stop us from getting in trades too early. So we use this level here to mark on the most recent support, which got broken and held as resistance. So if we want buys today, well, the most logical thing would be obviously to see price get back above that, and then great, then we can buy. And until that, if price just keeps pushing down, then we can just bring this barrier down with us. And then we can bring it to here as well. Well, this looks like a nice support, resistance, broke above, support, faked out, pushed. So we've kind of broken back below. So now we can kind of use this level here and be like, cool. If we get back above here, after grabbing the lows, boom, we can react to what we're thinking. And we could have some longs. So I would say, I don't know what's happened there, but I'd say, yeah, you start to get back above. I still like longs. I often say you can't have a, you know, technical corrective on a higher time frame outlook, but it's not really our job to try and predict that. It was up 3K to finish London. Wow. Stock and ended up giving back profit in New York. Damn, 3K in London's huge, man. Huge. Where was that? Here? Oh wow, London, yeah. Nice. And then bam, yeah, look at that. New York smashed it down. Held from Asia to London, nice. Yeah, here. You got it from like around here? It was a huge trade, man. 3K on Express Fund accounts, huge, man, huge. Goldie trying to get back above 15. Closing back below our level. Still holding the previous low though. 2 equal highs above. More so interest in this 30 flip. 5-minute breakout, and I would consider some buys on gold. I need to see a 5-minute closure though. Futures 30 is already flipping, really. Let's see. Yeah, futures is already flipping. I still want to see just the 5-minute kind of actually hold back above this level, because we're kind of creating a bit of a range here. You know, 1 minute we're grabbing lows and looking nice, and the next week you're smashing back down, grabbing lows, closing bullish. You know, grabbing lows, closing bullish, back down. So we could get long here soon, guys. We could get long here soon. As long as you hold back above here, you know, you can risk of like a previous 5 low. 30-minute trying to flip, but you know, if you take the 30 flip, you just have to manage off the 30 low. Nothing wrong with that, but you got to be willing to give that trade a lot of breathing room. Let's see. Personally, guys, I'm happy to wait for this 5-minute close. If it just rips, that's fine. I've still got room up into here and here, so I'm still gonna have a chance. I'm not gonna try and take it from here. Give me 2 seconds, guys. Long from 29.46. Nice. 29.46. Yeah, nice. Beautiful, man. Beautiful entry. Oh, look at that. Dax not getting this low, but grabbing lows, holding support, closing bullish. Nice buy there. Copper. Remember, we need to keep an eye on some copper sells today. 50 seconds till this 1 minute's going to close. Sorry, 5 minutes going to close here on gold. We could have some buys. I think this is like this would have been nice here. Although you didn't come down to here, it doesn't really matter. You grabbed lows here, held support. Look at that. The only thing is, as soon as you start coming up into this all-time high resistance, you got to kind of manage aggressively. It's like you could keep ripping higher, but you also could have some steep pullbacks. Goldie, Goldie, Goldie. What we got up into manage at these highs, 15 to potentially 50. Could have some buys here in a second, guys. Futures is already there, which is a little bit tough. But I still would take it. Because I still, my target, my bullish bias today is still all-time highs, so. Let's see, you're going to come down here. I had that, yeah, 30 trying to, 10 minutes till the hourly. Hourly can still bottom wick. Instant bottom wick here. If we were to look for a buy on the break of the high, risk off the previous 5 low, manage here, but see if you can squeeze higher. Only thing is, this you're just coming into a lot of noise. And if I look at this hourly, I'm like, has the hourly closed above resistance yet? Well, not really. So his hourly could still grab lows, close bullish. Next hour bottom wick, leave 2 equal highs. London open and then push it. Kind of tough. So you can, you can. I'm not going to take it from here, but you can take it from here and just keep that in mind. I'm personally going to wait for that hourly. I don't really like buying before the hourly's actually broken out. So let's just leave this as a forward test. I'm not taking this, guys. We'll leave this as a forward test just to see. You'd have to manage aggressively if it doesn't drive. I think I want to wait for that hourly. Yeah, that's the plan, man. That's the plan. Buy gold into 29.50 is the plan. How many ticks is that? 1,500. Wow. 1,500. Then we got copper sells below here as well. What's the futures looking like? Yeah, futures at that resistance as well. A nice little 5 minute fake out of VWAP there on the futures. Ticks. 64% people long here on top step, 36 short, which is always nice to see. People buying oil, interesting. If anyone is in this trade, which I'm sure some of you are, you pretty much would manage if you close back below this level. That's your stop loss level. Stop loss levels here. You close back below that. That's your exit. So you're risking about sub 10 ticks. Me personally, I'm gonna wait for this hourly. Yeah, Let them show their hands. Yeah, good shout, man. Good shout. Come on, Ash. Give us the signals, man. Give us the signals. To the moon or not? To the moon. We don't have any news today. Hey, 6 ticks is good. Wait for the close. See the close. The thing is, we don't want this. We don't want this to start pushing down too much from here, because then the hourly won't break out. Let's get rid of all this for a second. We want the 5 minute to hold above this level, because then, you know, the hourly is still going to break out. As long as this hourly breaks above here, next hourly bottom wick, cool. Then there'd be no reason to not take that trade. Equal highs here, all-time highs here. Also grabbing previous lows. Also 4 hour probably flipping bullish as well. Yeah, 4 hour flipping bullish after liquidating the lows. Equal highs, liquidity, liquidity. But if you take this, you don't manage until it actually closes below. It wants to shake you out. 3 minute. I've never looked at a 3 minute. Aled in the community uses a 3 minute as well. Hidden gem. How did it take you to get the confidence to know what you're looking at? A long time, man. A long time. A lot of hours. A lot of hours of seeing the same things happen time and time again. So decent 5 minute closure there, holding the level. So if you are in this flip, you know, as you start re-breaking highs, you can probably manage soon. Day in the life of Sammy. I don't think it'd be very exciting today. Yeah, hours of just watching the one thing. Yeah, exactly, that's the thing. Become a master of the one thing and then expand into other things. You know, although the principles will be very similar overall, the way I trade the gold and the way that Nasdaq will move or the way the DAX move will be, in their own little characteristics, very different. 30 minute flipping as well. 100 pip move, yeah, I know, I think so. And I've got 2 minutes to this hour, he's going to close. We're building up so much liquidity just even at this resistance. Like, imagine how many people are probably trying to short here on gold. Manage off the spot. That was coming up good, taking it early. Yeah. Always do it based off closures, man. So like if you're, you know, buying this level here and the spot chart closes below, then yeah, get out of the trade. But if the spot chart holds it, but the future chart maybe closes below, hold, I would hold it. I always base a lot of my trade management, all of my trade management based off actual closures. Like if I'm buying this level you know, like as this candle's forming, it's, you know, pushing up and then it's coming back down and then pushes up. Like it's, the markets kind of want to scare you out of that trade, and you end up closing it, and then before you know it, it holds it and then pushes. So you always want to, and it's the same as if you're trading the 5 minute, the 15 or the 30. I always want to base it off actual closures. Yeah, so for this one, for example, you wouldn't actually have a hard stop here. You'd probably have a hard stop somewhere down here to keep you safe. Like for instance, this one, you know, I said like you guys would be managing like somewhere here. I wouldn't have a hard stop there. I'd have a hard stop like down here, just to keep you safe. But second it closes below, I'd be closing my position there. So maybe I should have worded that differently. If I was taking this 5 flip, my stop loss management area would be here, but as a hard stop safety net, yeah, it'd be all the way down here. But that's just purely as a safety net in case anything bad happens. But the second it would be close and back below low, then I'd get out of the trade straight away. That's just how I like to do it personally. I like to have a wider hard stop to let it breathe, but if I have to manage the trade, you know, I'm very happy to do that. God is a hard hodl. Yeah, holding big enough stop for anything. Yeah, that's the thing. It's looking good. I saw Sir Raja is in it as well. Uncle Raja's in it. Yeah, sharp sell-off in Asia Spoot. Yeah, me too, man. Me too. Nah, I saw it on Twitter, man. I mean, I add you on Twitter, Ash. Nah, I'm not. No. Where are you? Where are you, Ash? Do the same. Always use 40 pip stop loss, but often close earlier. Yeah, that's good. That's good. It's good, man. It's good to let your trades breathe. As long as you're open to actually managing the trades, and that's fantastic. All right, let's see. Hourly just closed. Bullish again. Instant top wick. I need to see a bottom wick before I can buy this. 30-minute closure is not the worst. As soon as we get a bottom wick, I like these buys. But again, I need a bottom wick on the hourly especially. Actually. So it's like, that's the thing, you know, like if you take this trade here, say if your hard stops there and like your management's like around here, you'd look at that and be like, well, it's only a 1-to-1, it's not really worth it. Then you end up talking yourself out of the trade. But it's like if you look at it from a hard stop perspective, it's like, yeah, it's probably not worth it. But if you look at it as my actual exit's going to be like somewhere around here, well, then it's all of a sudden like a 4.6 risk reward. That's a great trade. So don't talk yourself out of a trade because, you know, you think the risk reward is not good enough. The risk reward is based off where you would actually get out of the trade. What are you up to, buddy? You should be sitting down. What are you doing? Sammy's just hopping around. What's up to 20, close to 50% 40. Yeah, nice. That's good, man. That's good. Yep. But the only thing is when you kind of, oh, buddy. The only thing is when you do actually do that, you know, you do have to actually don't be emotional, be super neutral. Like if you're buying here, hard stops there, and you're managing if it closes below, actually get out of the position. You know, you don't want to just hold them trades for no reason and then hit a full stop loss. Then before you know it, you go on tilt. Copper. Goldie is squeezing up here, guys, but like I say, there's no bottom wick on this hourly. Do we ever take buys off an hourly bottom, no wick? Never. What are you up to, buddy? What are you up to? Just standing there like this with his... Sammy's just literally looking at me like this with his paw up. Like as if I've done it. That wasn't my fault. As soon as we get a bottom wick, we've got the buys. If it pushes from here, it's going to be unfortunate, but it's not my trade. I'll wait for it to break out, close, then I'll trade it. As soon as we do get a bottom wick, and then, like here now, as this candle's forming, if it pushes up, then down, then back up, cool, then I'll take it. As soon as I get just, it doesn't have to be a huge bottom wick, just a little bit of a bottom wick, yeah, we'll be in. like a baby today. Oh, poor buddy. Look at your paw. Holding it up and showing everyone. Look everyone, look at my paw. Look at my bad paw. Well, so what we're going to do is we're going to see a bottom wick. As soon as we get the bottom wick, we're going to wait for the candle to flip and then we're going to buy. Full margin. All right. Yeah, it's like a tiny, tiny, tiny one. Not enough that I would still, I'd want to take it. Because it can be created at any point. Let's it this way, look there. It's going to go down, and then we're going to go to the moon. All the way to the moon. Yeah. That's the thing, sometimes, you know, if you have to like really, really, really zoom in on it, I like to look at it like even from here. That's why I didn't take these buys here, because there wasn't one, unless you were already buying on this candle. When you have to really, really zoom in, it's like, you can almost class it as no bottom wick. DAX 5 minutes crazy. Yeah, London Open for the DAX is very volatile. Very, very volatile. See, there you go. Now you get the bottom wick. Okay, you got to go now, buddy, I'm afraid. Sorry. Get better soon. Oh. Okay, now we have a bottom wick. Ooh, look at this. Bottom wick also coming down, grabbing the lows. This is looking nice. Where are we? I thought I just went mad. Oh, but I know. Yeah, it's cuter. Alright, we could have some buys here in a second. You grabbing the lows, holding support. YouTuber, let us do trading channel. That's crazy. We may push from us in a second here. What would that look like? Very tight stop, 10 ticks. Wait, there goes. I might get long here in a second. What's it like on the futures? Yeah, I'm gonna take a buy here on gold, guys. I'm taking a buy here on gold. You got a very good stop below previous 5 lows. You came down, you grabbed the lows. I should have been in this flip, but it doesn't matter. It's still good enough an entry. Keeping stops just below the previous 5 low here. I want to see this. I want to see this break this resistance and actually drive here. Break this resistance, Goldie. As soon as we start breaking these highs, you know, we can look to manage as well. You got liquidity above all of the previous hourly highs. Hourly now bottom wicked into our level. 30-minute, grab the lows, broke out, holding support. You're going to at least grab previous 30-minute highs. 15-minute. Yeah, 50 minutes looking good as well. We just need volume. Where's the volume today, Goldie? Don't mess around. Give us the volume. Stop below the current 5-minute lows, like 10 ticks as well. If it comes back down, that's fine. I'm risking 10 ticks. No. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's where you have a hard stop in there. I had to close that. What did I just have to close that at? Fucking Goldie, man. 100, minus 15. I just took minus 15 there on gold. Came up to that resistance, held it, still can't break above, straight back down. Gold's getting ugly here. Goldie is getting ugly. So I took if you're on the currency, you probably took like minus 10. I took about minus 15. I took minus 15 there. So I'll share that in after. Potential re-entry soon. I just really don't like this price action. Things are getting very, very tough in here. That was a very, very quick flip up, straight back down. Just one contract, just one contract. You grabbed the lows, you're starting to flip bullish, came all the way back down again, and now coming back up. That's crazy. You don't see that very often. How much did I close that? I closed that on the fund account, yeah, minus 150 there. About minus 133 on the day. Could get back in. That was just extremely volatile. To come down, grab the lows, then flip bullish, then come all the way back down, and then come back up is, yeah, you don't see that very often. Yeah, on a 50 man, yep. Again, it still looks good. That was just I think it was just some crazy manipulation. Let's just see this close. If it closes good, I'll get back in. My upside target is so nice that I don't want to miss this trade. I'm happy to give this another chance. Let's see. I'm not in just yet, I'll tell you guys. Put your down to buy more? Yeah, absolutely. More and more and more. We need more. Pump gold. Oh, look, there you go. Now you're pushing. That was crazy. To come up and then down and then back up. Let's see. We've got 20 seconds here. That was some manipulation right there on gold. Now you're coming straight for these highs here as well. Let's see. 6 seconds. Instant bottom wick, and I'll buy again. Risking off the 5 low again. Instant top wick. Nah. That was so typical. That was crazy. If any of you guys somehow did survive that, you'll break even on that 5. Well, we didn't get it from that low. We didn't get it from right here. Because now you're coming up and grabbing all of these hourly lows. So to now buy from here, kind of tough. Because you're buying at hourly resistance. That was so typical. That was such a nice... so even if you did take that 5 flip, that was such a nice 5-minute flip. But you came up, you came down, we re-broke the highs, whipsawed all the way back down, and then tried to push. Crazy. Good off the micro. Yeah, nice. Don't do a Goldie, no bottom wick on this 5. Remember, we still have all the way up here. We got a chance to get back in. That just would have been a very nice entry. A very nice entry. So 5-minute liquidity grab. It was the hourly also flipping bullish. Yeah, it did me very dirty. Honestly, I haven't seen gold. Gold hasn't done me that dirty in a while. To see it come up, top wick, and then bottom wick, and then top wick, and then again, yeah, you don't see that very often. Definitely did me dirty. Yeah, if you guys are still in it, keep holding. Your target's all-time highs. I'm going to try and get back in soon. There's no bottom wick on this 5, so I'm not going to chase it just yet. 15 still can get back above here, bottom wick, and still give me an entry. If you guys are in it, put your stops to break even. You're pushing very well now. Pushing very, very well. What would that 5 have been? On the futures, like 26. Damn, that was some fuckery right there. My daily bias on gold for next week? I don't have one, man. Next week? I don't know. I have no idea, man. I know I would have been safe. It's because I didn't have enough hard stops. I was like, oh no, I hope we don't rip down here. So I was like, let me just have to quickly get out. Yeah, definitely, man. That's what it is. If I ever get stopped down on gold, it's because the institutions are watching this live stream. Without a doubt. They have their trading floors, and on the screens of all their trading floors, it's just me and us on this stream. So as soon as they see us enter, yeah, they manipulate it. So what do you guys want me to do? How can I win if they're literally trading against me? The crazy thing is he actually said that. That is a fucking crazy thing. He actually made them allegations being serious. Me live streaming, you just plastered all over all the hedge funds in all the European markets right now. Yeah, someone from the Zoom's doing it. Yeah, 100%. I'm going to screen all of you guys on Zoom. Just my face plastered around all the trading floors in London right now. You got a little gap up there as well. So you never see that either. Little gap up there, very, very, if ever, see that on gold. Actually, yeah, it must. I guess it must be. Strong 15 close here, guys. Bottom wick, and I'm going to get back in. Yeah, ICT said that. Of course he did. Yeah, he actually did as well. He started live streaming and just took loss after loss after loss today because the market makers started watching his streams. It's not even a joke. I mean, it is a joke, but yeah, he's fucking nuts. What a legend. Targets all-time highs. Targets all-time highs. That's why I don't mind this pushing like this, because you're still going to break out. Well, I've still got over 65 ticks into all-time highs. Obviously, I would have loved to have been in with my entry from down there, like that, what we had. But I still think you're gonna bottom wick, maybe fill in this little gap, and then we can push. Kind of same here as today. When I saw this rip in Asia, I didn't start selling because you still have all-time high liquidity. You still got targets. Targets is yeah, all-time high liquidity and 29.50. Yeah, trading liquidity grabs or my liquidity grabs. Yeah, double liquidity grabs. 100%. It's not even a conspiracy theory, it's a fact. All right, so we're getting a decent 15-minute breakout here, guys. We got at least Asia highs. How far is Asia highs if we get a bottom wick here? 23 ticks, fantastic. We just need a good risk to reward. So give us a. Oh, did that just close with no top wick? Oh. The 15 closes no top wick. Targets, yeah, it would be up here at least. Oh, nice, got the funded account. Well done, man. Good job. How much are you up? 135. Well done. Yeah, honestly, if you guys are in the entry from down here, I'd take the break even, or I'd hit all-time highs. I wouldn't FOMO out of that trade. That 15 just closed with no top wick, which is kind of annoying. Closing bullish with no top wick can mean there's no range to the upside. This is a decent bottom wick here, though. I just need a good risk to reward now. Like if I buy gold from here, like, what's my stop down here? I know, the hands are absolutely itching. Yeah, if you guys are in from that original entry, your break even, your target's all the way up here. At least. For me, if I was to buying from here and close it around here, and it ripped all-time highs, I'd feel really stupid. With that close to all-time highs and even back to the Asia highs, the daily's starting to flip bullish again, I would take the break even at all-time highs. Because if you break these levels, you know what we've seen gold do at all-time highs is, there's nothing to say this can't break all-time highs and just rip up as well. It's very unlikely that price would grab all-time highs and just drop. Like, if we're breaking all-time highs, we're probably coming up into 29.50, which from all-time highs to 29.50 is still like another 70 ticks. You're gonna break through all-time highs aggressively. Yeah, 3,000. We're hitting 3,000 today. Easy. Where's that? Fucking ages away. TP at 29.50. Nice. I got the same, man. I got the same. So all I'm wanting to see, guys, here for me to get an entry is this to close doji, grab the lows, and I'll get straight back in. 3K. Yeah, hodl that to 3K. If you do want to take some off, take some off here. But if you're only in it for one contract, I would start to trail aggressively above here. And then you could, from this Asia high into all-time highs, this range could get filled very fast as well. Give me an entry, Goldie, here. Anyone who's not in it like me, the only reason I'm not buying from here is because it's just not the best risk reward. I want to see this come down, grab the lows, then re-break higher, then I can, get in from here. I can go from having a 1-to-1 to having a 1-to-5. My dog, he is on the couch trying to sleep. He's got a broken paw. He's got a broken paw. Let me send that trade into Discord, guys, because although we did get manipulated, it still happened. It was crazy manipulation. Goldie. Don't do it, Goldie. Oh, I'm in. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, you guys are still in it. Well done. Nice. Yeah, you guys are in it. Beautiful. Keep holding. Honestly, there's no reason to close this early. I'm gonna get in as soon as this 5-minute closes. Doji grabs lows. I'm in. I am in. But we haven't seen some whipsaw manipulation like that in a while. In a very long time. Where was our entry? Our entry was from like here, somewhere around there. Stops were below there. We're looking for this. So if you guys are in from this area, me personally, I'd be BE. Alright, 5 minutes closing doji, which is nice. I want to see the next 5 minute come down, grab the lows, and then I'm going to get in once it re-breaks higher. What's with all these little gaps and top wicks here, gold? February usually market like this? How do you mean, man? How do you mean? In a good way or a bad way? Because to me, February has been fantastic. It's just more so gold is just extremely bullish, breaking all-time highs. Has been bullish for the start of the year, and it's just completely fundamentals. But it has been very nice. No bottom wick on this 5, guys, so again, I unfortunately can't chase this from here. You guys who are down from here, you're chilling. How many of you guys are still in the entry from down here? How many of you guys are still in? TP 4 hour, yeah, 4 hour, nice. Yep, I am, nice. Got stopped out, yeah, me too. Casey's still in, nice. Marlon's still in, nice. Got me out as well, yeah, nice, me too. Got in, nice, in. Yep, holding, nice, well done. Stop tick, yeah, literally. In from 2933, nice. Ooh, nice. Holding, yeah, nice, good job. I'm in on spot, nice work, man. 50.4, very nice. Yeah, it did us very dirty, man. It owes us big time today. But it's fine, we got time. We got plenty of upside to come. Yeah, you guys who are, just make sure you're at break even. And don't get too scared out of this position. Goldie. Dax is flying, really. Oh, wow, look at that. That would have literally just wicked you and ripped. Ooh. Copper. Start breaking below here, and I would short. Look at that. Dax ripping. Copper's squeezing. Goldie's trying to get there. Yeah, if it comes down to get some lows, I will get in as well. It doesn't have to be this low anymore. It can just even be maybe this low. Come down, grab this low. We've got 27 minimum ticks break even point into there, and I'm trying to run this up like 50. Daily routine is getting scared. Yeah, nah. You guys who are in from here, you're relaxing. Honestly, this is just me personally. Even if I was in from here, and you may be up like 30 ticks right now, I personally would be happy to take a break even than closing this trade early. Because I think if you break these levels, you're going to see like 70 to 80 plus really fast. That I would be happy just to take break even than close too early. Got alpha 30. Hey, 30 is 30, man. We could get back in if we can come down and grab some lows, hold it, and then get back above. It's just me personally. Trying to get Dax on top step. Oh, really? Cool. That would be good. Hear that, Ash? Dax on top step. But yeah, my daily routine is, well, my morning routine, I should say anyway, is very simple. The first thing I do when I wake up, I don't care what anyone says, is check the charts, whether that's healthy or unhealthy. It's how I live my life, especially when I'm not trading New York. The first thing I do when I wake up is I check my alerts, my phone, see if any alerts have gone off. And then as soon as I have done that, you know, I don't watch it. I'll take a break. I'll go for a coffee. I'll walk Sammy. I'll do anything other than checking markets. Like in the morning, I say I check the charts. I maybe check it for like 2-5 minutes max. I just want to see how did yesterday close. Did any crazy news happen? And then I start my morning by either doing jiu-jitsu, doing some Muay Thai, doing a workout, going to the beach, getting the mind ready. As a trader, you know, you're an elite performer, so you got to treat your body like one as well. You can kind of do all, to be honest. Like it depends how much. Like if you're up from like here, it's only if it's less than 20, to me it's not really worth it. Or if you do close, be willing to get back in. For me, I think these highs are going to get ripped, so I would be happy to risk that. I'm new to gold. I'm an NQ trader. Nice. I'm liking gold as of lately. Been studying more. Good man. Good man. It moves. They both move great. You know, if you've already got some experience with the NAS, that's fantastic. You maybe add gold to the arsenal. I personally prefer gold. It moves well in. Again, it depends on what session you do trade. But for me, gold moves well in Asia, London, and New York. Take partials on top step. Depends how many contracts you're in, man. Say if you're long 2 contracts, you want to close half, just sell back 1. Market execute, sell back 1, and it will close half. Yeah, the reason I prefer gold, I just think it's gold is much more consistent in my opinion. Yeah, DAX is just different. Look at that. Different. Copper could shape up for us. Come Goldie, grab some lows so I can get in this. Yes, so clean. It's been insane recently. I think you're gonna rip the highs here, guys. You guys who are in this, get ready to close some partials. This is why I say it's not worth securing. You break these levels, you're coming much higher. If you're happy with your profits close, yeah, I'm friendly cleared 1 million payouts. Something that nice. Is that Arthur? Closing is having changed. Yeah, nice. Also just trades gold. Nice. Yeah, he's a fine. I wish he posted more, man. I'm trying to watch more stuff on him because he doesn't need to, but he crushes it. Yeah, futures chart's a little bit different. Yep, I can see that as well, man. 5 minutes kind of forming some resistance. Similar to currency, but actually closing bearish price actions are a little bit different. A little bit different. Yeah, the futures did actually grab the lows, but still, again, it doesn't matter. It has to happen on the currency. Come on, Goldie, just coming down and wick some lows. You got the 30 close here as well. This 30 close, which is going to be very nice, could give us a 30 bottom wick, which could grab some lows. Look at this 30. Man, what a rip. We anticipate this. So all we want to see is this 30 come down for a bottom wick. which hopefully liquidates some 5-minute lows. Again, great. Keep buying. Keep buying. Yeah, 100%, man. I'd love to jump on one. Is that where he's based, man? Is he based in town? This is just, if you're on the spot chart here, this is just XAU USD on the Awanda chart, man. Yeah, I'd love to see him post them all, man. He has a shit ton of value. Psychology to hold the trades that he does is just incredible. And the trades that I did see of his, there's very few. So simple as well, just so clean. What would we be ripping here on Goldie? This is kind of painful here. 36. See, now I don't think we're not going to come for any 5-minute lows now. I think it's going to push. Way too far to need. There's no need to come all the way down here now. I will be here with the USA. Oh yeah, nice. Get him on calls. Yeah, nice. The only reason I wanted to grab some of those is just so I can get a risk to reward. I just can't really justify that. Unless we get a steep bottom wick and I can take maybe like a bottom wick entry. Oh man, confidence dirty today. Dirty. We were in from here. Buy tops classic Aaron. Is that not what you're supposed to do? Buy high, sell low? That's what you told me to do. Alright, coming down for a nice bottom wick here. What do we have? Going to be a bit of an aggressive entry, 10 into the highs. Futures 26 into the highs, not too bad. 26 into the highs isn't too bad on the futures. I think some of the top set guys do everything higher. Yeah, they trade a lot of NASDAQ though. Like with NASDAQ, you literally can buy at the highs and it will keep pushing. With NASDAQ, it's very different. Like one thing I've learned with the rare times I have traded NASDAQ is like it can give signs that it's going to push down at these all-time highs, then it just keeps pushing higher. With NASDAQ, you literally want to be buying the all-time highs. It's different level. Different level. Let me just post the thought process of the trade here to the guys in the community. Yeah, this is that. Tell him to post more, Ash. Tell him to post more. We need some of his wizardry. Make some green. Done for now from USA. Nice work, man. Nice work. Can you explain what made you think keep holding this position? Yeah, absolutely. It's a good question. So the reason I would hold this trade, and at this point, like for me personally, if you're running up 25 ticks, I would take break even on this trade than secure 25 ticks. Just because on the daily time frame, there's so much liquidity to the upside. And you know, yesterday was very bullish. We still haven't grabbed these all-time highs. And the one thing that we have learned about trading gold at all-time highs is you buy gold at the pullbacks, and then once you break these all-time highs, you can really, really, really break. So to kind of close your trade early is almost like you're trying to trade the P&L, not the charts. Like if we look at this from a just a blank chart perspective, where's our liquidity level? Our liquidity level is first at least here, and then second liquidity level is here. So if we do close it early, it's purely just because we want to lock in a certain P&L amount. Like we're not actually trading the charts. So for me, it's hit my all-time high, and there's nothing to say that when you do break this high, you really do just push quite aggressively. And if you were to close the trade like here, then you watch it rip, you'd kick yourself. So you want to trade the liquidity levels, not the could we actually get again? You want to trade the liquidity levels, not just the P&L. You don't want to close a trade just because it's a certain tick amount. You want to close your trade because it's hit your targets. Otherwise, if you just close your trades, if you just close your trades too early, then you're never going to maximize your winners. And like I say, especially all-time highs as well, because you break these all-time highs, you push like an extra 50, 100 plus ticks, and they're the trades that you really want to be maximizing. Oh, I should have been in this. So you guys who are in it, if we break this high, we could, from here to here, come in really quickly, and even from here to here is like 30 ticks, which is huge. You'd really kick you would kick yourself more. You would kick yourself more if you close this trade at 60. Oh, sorry, you close the trade at 25. Where's the position gone? Dancing around. So you would, this is for me anyway. I would be more annoyed at myself if I closed here and then this ran to here than I would be if I let this trade hit break even. I would rather take a break even on this trade than close it early to then watch it rip like 100 ticks. And it is it is a mental battle. It's a mental battle to be able to hold into these positions. But it's like you're not just holding the trade because you want to make more money. Like you're holding it for logical reasons, right? People always say like what differentiates a 10 tick trade to a 100 tick trade? Is it the fact that you just decide to hold the trade for longer because you want to make more ticks? Of course not. You hold the trade longer because you have clear targets of where price needs to grab. So if this is your liquidity target, why would you close it there? You've just locked in 20 and you could have doubled your position. Oh, buddy, why are you limping around? So, but here though, here is the level where you could grab the highs and pull back. So if you wanted to close like some off here, that's also good. Here, I wouldn't close. Here, I can justify to you guys, yeah, you want to close some there, or you want to start trailing aggressively. You could even be trailing here right now. That's much better. No, not at all. It's all good. It's all good. You just currently owe me, so I would have bought in here. You just need to send me $150, please. Nah, these sessions are about helping you guys understand it. I got plenty of time to take trades. Someone said, do I ever add to a winning position? I personally don't. It's not something I am honestly good at. That's one thing I'm openly not that good at. I'm not that good at adding into winning positions. I don't know why. I just kind of struggle with it a little bit. So I prefer just to have my initial entry and just leave it. Futures is still kind of holding back here. Yeah, futures is not moving. Futures is still stuck. which from where futures is right now into that all-time highs is still 26 ticks. Oh, buddy, what's wrong? Oh, Sammy. I've never seen him sit there. Oh, this is the saddest photo ever. Who wants to see it? I don't know if you want to see it. Where's my webcam? You guys on Zoom? I don't know if you want to see it. This is so sad. Yeah, 100%. This 5-minute flip, 100%, man. You manage off the low, 100%. Oh, look at Sammy. Oh, wait. Why can't you see it? Poor puppy. Sammy's really not well. Oh, he does not look good. Look at his paw. Why are you just sitting there, but I've never seen him sit there. Yeah, this 5-minute flip, 100%. 100%, man. This is what you're kind of saying. You want a liquidity. Look, and what did you do? Look, you literally left a perfect double top. You had this rejection here. What's that rejection? That rejection is for people trying to jump in shorts. That 100%. Hard stop below that low, very valid. Why? Because it grabbed the previous low, and you already break even. If you want to start to, nah, it's not worth it. You're trying to play it back up to there. But yeah, you're on that 5-minute flip, 100% valid trade, man. Break even on that one as well. Any guys who are in this, have you closed any? I think 47 ticks would be good to close something, depending on how many you're in. If you're in for one, then I would just trail aggressively. Or, to be fair, 47 ticks for an intraday trade, you know, you can lock it in. Oh, buddy, where are you trying to go? Sammy? Oh, poor boy. Future still, yes, future still 160, yeah. Took off half, nice. He's limping. Yeah, so's mine. That's crazy. Yeah, National Paw Hurting Day. I think so, man. I don't know where he's going. He's just hopping around. He doesn't know what to do with himself. He's never not moved this much since I've got him. TP or stop loss at the moment. Trying to, yeah. Again, that's like a, you know, when you're trying to build up the data, that's also a very smart move. TP or stop loss. And then you can kind of look over time, like, okay, cool. How could I have maybe refined this trade? Oh, maybe if I had my stop loss here, or I had my target here, then I could manage here. But 100%, let your trades breathe, refine over time. It's kind of pretty overextended, guys. Starting to find some resistance. 30 grabbing the highs. You guys who are in this here, to be honest, is a logical place where I would lock some gains in, even if you just want to close full 47 ticks and you held it up into your first liquidity target. That's a good trade. If I was in this, I would be exiting here. If this had ripped, hold, but as you're kind of grabbing highs and come back down, lock it in. This 5-minute flip, if you guys are in this 5-minute flip, take the break even, see how it goes. We get a decent 15 bottom wick, grab some next 15 lows, which is what I'm looking for here. We still have up into here. Oh, Sammy. Oh, buddy. You're hopping around. Where are you going, buddy? I know you're just hopping around. I'm out full 40 ticks. Well done, man. Well done. So couldn't close partials. That's it. If you can't close partial, you're in for one. Man, 40 ticks is fantastic. It's an intraday trade. It's fantastic. If you want to get back in after, you know, we could do that as well. But 40 ticks for an intraday trade, you take that on one contract, $400. $400 in like, what, half an hour is fantastic. And more importantly, good hold. You held into your liquidity target. 400 on the combine. Yeah, that's amazing, man. Well done. Very, very nice work. Good job. Yeah, 100%. Yeah, risk doesn't make any sense if you're holding on to lose and cut wins early. Yeah, very true, man. Very true. Oh, Sammy. Oh, buddy. Not a bad day rate. Exactly. Not a bad day rate in what, like half an hour as well? Half an hour? Not a bad day at the office. Yeah, I analyze off the spot chart, man. Execute on the futures. Yeah, all-time high trading can be, yeah, it can be so tough, 100%. That's why, you know, when it's like at these all-time highs, like I kind of don't really do anything. Like this is why I love to see price create structure and pull back, because you know I want to be buying from here and here and here. When it's up here, it's kind of, it's hard to know what's going to happen, nor is it really our job. Copper still got some time. This high, I would probably close like 60%, I would say. Oh, buddy. Yeah, honestly, like 60 to 70%. It's that high, it's now holding the, you know, if we just kind of rip this, which I thought if we break these highs, we're going to fill this range quite quickly, but we haven't really done that yet, so I wouldn't be afraid to lock in a decent amount. Hey, bud, how are you, man? The boy becomes a man, I know, big dirty. Yeah, absolutely, man. Love to you, my brother. Thank you, man, appreciate it. 5 minute engulfing back bearish there on gold. What's that, like a 20 tick dip from them highs? So now, if we do want more longs, cool. Now we have a decent fake out level. You get back above here. Cool. We got longs again. You've held above it. You tried to push up, but you've closed back below. As long as you hold below this, you could squeeze lower. But if we can close back above, cool, more buys. 15 minute just closed there as well. Come back down, grab some 15 lows maybe. You grab the highs and close pretty bearish there though. Oh, Sammy. What's up, buddy? What's wrong? Let's see, Goldie, what time is it? 8:46. So yeah, break back above and we could still see some more buys. Where could the buyers potentially step in again? Like maybe back down here? Where are you going, buddy? Come on, buddy. Come lie down, buddy. Lie down, buddy. Stay there. Doesn't know what to do with himself. So that's all we really want to see here on gold. To be fair, honestly, I'm very surprised that when you didn't grab these Asia highs, you haven't just ripped. You grabbed the 4 hour highs though. Still looking very nice here though. Still looking very, very nice. Hourly in 12 minutes, so we're going to close. Might not close above here, but we could still close above here. Which you could bottom wick, maybe re-grab the highs one more time, which by that point you should come into the all-time highs. Look at the 30. That's the thing, it's like it has had a decent push there, but it's like, it's only 50 ticks in that, I mean, 50, don't get me wrong, 50 ticks is still great, but it's not as huge as it seems. $2 hours, yeah, it's been 2 hours, man, yep. Done a lot in 2 hours. took my 2.5 reward on 800k funded. Good man, well done, that's amazing. Incredible gains. Very, very, very nice gains. Just came up and tagged the Asia highs, which is our initial liquidity level, and starting to pull back. What are we pulling back off them Asia highs? Already about 25 ticks. Yeah, when Lambo, man. When Lambo with them gains. Look at this. We do get a lot of manipulation here. Look at this. A lot of manipulation. A lot of manipulation. Did we do it last time? Yeah, last time you broke above this level, straight back below. Above it, below, above it, below. Above it, below, above it. Below, maybe? Not that I'm still any interest in any downside on gold. But we could create some ranges around these highs. I was very surprised. I honestly thought we would just break this and just rip, fill that range quickly. But not quite. Not quite. Which if this owlie, look at this owlie. Again, more, I mean, it makes sense, right? Are we surprised to see the lower time frame shorting from here? Not really. Look at this. Major resistance. Major resistance. Broke above, straight back below. Major resistance. The hourly close is holding this resistance. Might have to give gold a little bit more time before we see any more buying. Especially if the 15 closes back below here. All we need to do is price hold this level, break back above, and then you've got more buys. So once you grab lows and close back above here, great, you still got a 50 tick range. I'm head out. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, absolutely, man. See you tomorrow. Enjoy the rest of your day, man. So you are, let's see, this it's going to be very interesting around here. We're grabbing lows. If we start to flip bullish, I honestly do, I will get in this. Look at this. So you're grabbing these lows. You filled in these wicks. You're holding this support. All-time high liquidity above. Maybe a break back above here. 5-minute closure back above here, and I like longs. Still, again, you know, 40 tick range minimum, which on the futures I think is even more. How much is that on the futures? Where's that level? On the futures, all-time highs is where's all-time highs? Oh, all-time highs is still ages away on the futures. Above, break above. So this 15 flip on the futures into all-time highs is still 133 ticks away. But again, you wouldn't just let the futures run into all-time highs. You'd manage as the currency gets into there. So if we start grabbing these lows and breaking back above, I'm going to get long here, guys. this is looking nice. This is looking good. 5 minutes grabbing the lows, holding the support. How's that hourly looking? Yeah, hourly looking like it's actually going to close above. This hourly closes above. Cool. Bottom wick. All-time highs. Oh, Sammy is just looking. Sammy's just giving me sad eyes. Oh, this is looking really nice here. This is looking really nice. Do we want to buy it in the last 5 minute of the hourly though? $15 about to flip. Yep, 15 about to flip. So you grab the highs, close bearish. You grab the lows, potentially closing bullish. We'll look at that 15. Grab the highs and close bearish. I think it would be stupid to not wait for this hourly. We've been on for like 2 hours. I'm personally gonna stay on for a little bit longer, guys, because I think we could see a big move here. It'll be just typical that we jump off and it'll hit all-time highs. So if you guys want to chill around and hang around for, you know, another couple of minutes, then I'm happy to do so. We've got to get to 100 likes though. You guys on YouTube, 100 likes. We're sitting around 82. If we don't get to 100 likes, Zoom only. I'm rage quitting. We got time, man. We got time. We got time. Last 5 minutes here though, anything can happen. Anything can happen on gold. Last 5 minutes usually where you see the most manipulation. Yeah, Bit's gonna be upset. Well, luckily mine's still at work, so I'm chilling. Need to make some beer money. Absolutely. If it wasn't the close of the hourly right now, this is a trade that I would consider. Hard stop there, trying to rip these all-time highs. But because the hourly is about to close in 5 minutes, I would rather see that hourly close. The hourly's still going to give a bottom wick, and then boom. And the 15 is looking good. Grabbing the highs, closing bearish, grabbing the lows. Is it going to close bullish? 30 minute, depending on how it closes. Maybe need to grab the lows, maybe. Well, it's all going to depend on the close. Any of you guys who took the original trade still holding some, or did most of you guys close full? I assume most of you guys probably closed full. He had a little bit like a person or something. Nice. Oh, look at the DAX. Still holding my nice. Good job. Good job. Could even add to it soon. Still holding, nice. Still holding. Oh, nice. Still holding, nice. Oh, you guys still holding, well done. Holding all of it from the start. Go big or go home. Closed out 40 ticks. Hey, still good, man. Still good. 4 ticks is amazing. Waiting for new entry. Yeah, nice. That's the thing. There's nothing wrong with locking in some gains. You know, getting back in, leveraging some of the profits you already made to take another position. Nothing wrong with that. There's two ways you can do it. You know, you can either just hold it, or you can buy here, sell here, you know, take another position. It's entirely up to you guys. 1 minute, Goldie. Let's see if we're going to flip or not. DAX whipsawing around. Copper's still kind of hovering around the resistance. I like copper below here as well. We have a look at it on the 30. Broke above, broke back below, broke back above. So yeah, copper back below there. Could interest me to short down into here. Too strong to say just yet though. I just don't really like buying copper today. Although you're at the major support, the weekly lows are that close that I think they're going to get grabbed. Tell them to post more, Ash. Tell them to post more. We need some of his history. Tell them to post more, Ash. No. Go on, Ash. Ash is starting beef. All right. Okay, cool. Let's see. So hourly just massively closed above all of our resistance. The first time since all-time highs we've closed above this level. 30-minute came all the way down, held the support. 15-minute grab the highs, closed bearish, grab the lows, closed bullish. Okay, cool. Let's try and get these longs. Oh, don't do it. Don't do it. You grab the lows, broke back above this level. Quite a quick little bottom wick there. Don't do it from here. Where's the futures? Futures is still holding up. The reason I'm not in this is because it's open and push. I was late to the party. That was a pretty decent 15-minute close. You grab the highs, close bearish, grab the lows, close bullish. This could be trapping in early sellers. Oh, could we don't push it, rip it, Goldie, don't rip it. Would that make sense? It would, but... Hourly closing back above there is nice as well. Previous hourly highs as liquidity. I think you see a little bit of a bottom wick though. Nothing huge, but a little bit. Go on, Nightbot. Spam in the chat. Someone get Nightbot a pay rise. Look at that. Back in at 55.4, nice. 55.4. 55.4. Where's that? Yeah, very nice. Around here. Yep, good man. Managed you grab the hourly highs. Damn it. What did I miss there? I should have been in, already been in. I'm gonna have to blame Sammy today, I think. Futures is still kind of like not really moving. Current 5-minute on futures is just come back down, same as the currency actually. I can't lie, it's not huge. Like there's no. I honestly thought this all-time high we were gonna rip. Oh, copper big push down, really? Oh yeah, nice. Yeah, copper breakout. Wow, look at that. Hourly closed above. Hourly, you need an hourly fake out. That could actually be really nice. What do you have? Your downside targets here. Remember, copper does move at 1250 per tick, so it's a little bit more than gold. So if you do trade copper, be wary of that. Bottom wick in the next 5 maybe. To be honest, I honestly thought we would have just ripped and we would have seen a whole lot of volume here on gold. We haven't seen as much volume as I thought. Anyway, these ranges are still nice, but it's like this is only a 30 tick range. It looks like, it looks way bigger. Didn't repeat the sharp sell-off from Asia. Nah, I don't really think you need to be honest. That's the thing. Like you've already had this decent pullback from this area, so now that you're kind of coming back to it, I would be very surprised to see it rip back down again. I think you can just probably push it. Yeah, don't jinx it. Yeah, sorry. I'll take it back. Bottom wick on this next 5 and we could be. If we do enter though, we do want to see volume kick in. Like we're just not, you know, we're grabbing lows, closing bullish, and we're just kind of stalling every time, which is expected. You know, like I say, it is all-time high resistance, but I still want to be a buyer here. What's Top Step Tilt saying? Let's have a look. The tilt. 60% people still long here on Top Step, 40% people short. Could this be a retail trap? Stops are above these highs. Look at the hourly. 2 equal highs. Hourly's coming down for a bottom wick now, which is nice. All right, let's see if we get a bottom wick on this next 5. Buys below the previous 5-minute low. How's the futures looking? A bit. Futures a gap down there. Grab the lows and then flip. I'm going to have some buys here, guys. To me, this wick could be a retail trap. People trying to jump in shorts. Where's the volume? How much volume is in that 5? 13. Give me 2 seconds, guys. Yeah, a little gap down on the futures. Yeah, I saw that. Give me 2 seconds. Oh, whoa. What are we doing? So we are grabbing the lows, trying to hold the support. I really like these buys. I just don't like the volume. If we come down for a little bit more of a bottom wick, maybe I'll look for a buy on the break of the high and risk off the low. I don't have anything in here just yet, guys. This volume is kind of throwing me off a little bit. I'll be honest. Got in on this flip. Yeah, if you're in on the flip, you could just have a stop below this low. I just don't really like this. I don't know where the volume's on. There's not a whole lot of volume. There's just no real commitment to kind of either side. Like to the upside, then to the downside, then to the upside again. Kind of been a little bit tricky. Yeah, it's a little bit boring for sure. Calling it a day. Happy to lock in $400, not giving anything back. Yeah, good shout, man. Good shout. I think it's a smart move. I just kind of wish this 5-minute just had more volume. Yeah, send me some volume, please. Send me some, please. And it's also like, you know, if I was in the place from down here, you know, up here you're relaxing. Top man, latest bro. Latest man, talk to you soon. Enjoy the rest of your day, man. You guys on YouTube, 107 likes, amazing. And what's also throwing me off is the fact that the futures isn't really moving. I mean, it's trying to now, but it wasn't really. Always feel when the volume slows near all-time highs, get a big rip. Yeah, I agree, man. To be honest, I've seen it at all-time highs where you break all-time highs and just or come near all-time highs and then just rip. It's not very often I see it kind of mess around at all-time highs for so long. Kind of did here though, to be honest. You messed around for quite a while, major pullbacks. But when we were in the biggest run in January, like we were breaking, or we were coming at all-time highs and just ripping like this. And that's kind of what I've seen most of the times at all-time highs. Like you break the highs and you just rip like 50 plus ticks like really fast. That's why to see this kind of stalling like this, it just makes me a little bit skeptical. A little bit skeptical. Futures is trolling, gold is trolling. I'm gonna start trolling as well. Futures is trolling. Yeah, futures still kind of holding up here. Again, there's no real commitment even in this 5. You guys who did take this 5-minute flip, if I was in this 5-minute flip, I would just close at break even. I don't like that. Closing with no volume at all. Even on the futures, you grab the highs, holding resistance, holding support. You know, you grab it. Usually, this is a fantastic liquidity continuation play. You grab lows, break out, grab lows, and then push. We've been taking them trades almost every London session for the past week, and they've been. Did I leave them on, or did I maybe delete them? And they've been hitting really well, just grabbing the lows, flipping, and driving. But we're not really doing that right now. Gotta be patient. What you don't want to do is just get frustrated here and just start taking loads of random trades to save it, because at some point today, you know, you're going to get good volume and you're going to come for them all-time highs, but you don't want to be emotional in here now, and then by the time it does come in, you can't even afford to take a trade because you've just blown your loss limit for the day. I still personally believe a lot of people will be trying to short this, and this is why you have this liquidity above. People jump in these shorts, where's their stop? Just above this high. Which is the reason I'm wanting these buys. Price action is just saying otherwise. $112 likes, look at that. Appreciate it, you guys on YouTube. Currency's trying to push. Futures trying to push. Futures is only up like 6 ticks in this current 5. Honestly, even if I did take this, it's easy to look back, but no, I would have held. I wouldn't have held. I would have closed that break even as soon as it closes doji. 3 equal highs here now as well. It's gearing up so much liquidity to these highs. It's almost as if we're waiting for some big news in the US session, but we don't have anything. There's nothing that interesting this week. Your FOMC meeting at 7 o'clock. Bond week on the 15? Yeah, yep. What time is it? Yeah, 3 minutes. Let's see if it can get some. Yeah, it's actually not looking too bad. Yeah, if it can close with some volume. It's almost doing similar to what London did yesterday. That 15 is actually not too bad. Grab lows, close bullish. It's one of them. It's like you're executing off this 15. You're here. Your hard stop's here, and you're setting your alerts and walking away. That's the only time I actually can trade during these times, is when I trade off like the high time frame and I just execute, set my alerts, and walk away. Have any trades today? Yeah, I've had some trades today, man. Yep. Be sure to scroll back. You'll be able to see some of the trades we called. Can you scroll back? Yeah, previous 15 had no top wick. Yeah, tiny one. Not much. See, if I look at this 15, this looks good. Grab the lows, broke back above. You've held it at support. You've closed bullish. You have these highs above. So bottom wick, and yeah, like you say, man, I think that would make sense. So we just look at this 5 minute for the purpose of seeing a bottom wick for the 15 buys. And let's do it. And if we do get it, This is what we're looking for. 36 here in the currency into all-time highs, but it's much higher on the futures. 2 hours. I know it's a long one today, man. I'm having to be very patient today. To be honest, if I took from this to this, I'd be out. But even if I was still on my own here, I would still be wanting these buys. Yep, below the 15. Yep, below the 15, and manage if you close back below here. See, don't close this. Go close strong. Cool, I love your live stream. Thank you. Appreciate it. I appreciate you taking the time to tune in. About to get a nice 15 close. Let's see, 3 seconds, instant bottom wick. What's the futures looking like? Yeah, futures looking good. Bottom wick on the futures, please. Oh no. See, this to me here is the most valid one. You've broken back above this level. You grab the lows. Oh, I should have been in there. Damn it. Damn it. That was the most valid one. Ah, see, as I'm saying, you break these highs, you're gonna push here on gold. Damn it. It literally, it did give a tiny bottom wick on the futures. I wasn't quick enough, but it did. It gave a tiny bottom wick, and that was the most valid entry. Go, baby. Yeah, good job. Yeah, all-time high targets. I was so close. Did anyone quickly snipe it? It was a very quick bottom wick on the futures, but it did give it. It was just very fast. You broke above the resistance as well. Here, 5-minute broke above the level. Oh, there you go. Ripping all-time highs. There you go. Oh man, that's crazy. That is crazy. It's like a 1 to 4 risk reward in 5 minutes. Insane. That's gold to new all-time highs, guys. Gold to new all-time highs. You guys who held the runners from earlier, about 75 plus ticks. I would close full. Oh, if you want to hold some little runners for the crack, feel free to do so. I would close 90%. That's what I was saying. It was one of them. You're teasing around. People jump in these shorts. Look, retail's trying to short. Where's their stop? Just above these highs. Rip. Seconds. I thought we would have done it from here. We couldn't. We pulled back, grabbed lows, broke out, then did it. This to me was one of the nicest entries today. Wow, can't believe I held my trade to full TP. Thanks, Aaron, for the motivation. I could never dream of holding in slow markets like this. I was about to close the previous 15 wick. Thanks, Aaron. Amazing work, man. Good job. Good job on holding your trade. Like I say, there was no reason to kind of, close. You close some at the liquidity levels. You close some here, and then you close some again here. To be honest, I thought when you were going to break it here, you would have just ripped from here. But you couldn't quite do it. But when you start to reject like this, again, it's more people trying to jump in shorts. Bam, full TP hit. So our original trade from here, and even if you did close like 70% here and you just got 30%, well, that 30% has gone from being up 40 ticks to up like 70. And then runners add up very fast. So if we could go back in time, what a day today would have been. That's a good trade, yeah. I'm out 2 lots, 50 ticks. Thanks for the day. Amazing work, man. Amazing work. So that was that original buy, which is crazy. It was just one then where it's like, yeah, you knew it was going to come in. You explained the process so well. Thank you so much. I appreciate it, man. Thank you for tuning in. Hopefully you guys learned something here today. Regardless if you made money or lost money, if you guys learned something today, good job. Well done. We've been sat here for about 2.5 hours. I don't know where time's gone today. We've been sat here about 2.5 hours. The whole reasons behind that trade was just so nice. I honestly thought we were going to rip all-time highs in Asia, but when you didn't do it in Asia and pull back, yeah, London was going to do it. Boom, closed. Well done. Amazing, man. No trade for me today, but still great stream. Yeah, still good, Jimmy. You still showed up and you saw the chart time. Well done, man. Thanks for teaching us to hold for so long, Aaron. Absolutely. And that's the thing, that's what I was saying to you guys. You're not just holding these buys for no reason, just because you want to maximize a bigger trade. You're holding these trades because you have clear targets and you have all-time highs sitting just above. Like I say, if you just close this here, like you now look back at the trade and go, why the hell did I close that? I had my levels, I just couldn't trust myself. So, you know what separates a 20 tick trade from a 100 tick trade is simply the markets and having upside targets. Yeah, is the futures anywhere near it? Oh man, look at that futures on the 5. I'm gonna have to get on it before I start trying to short. Up 60 ticks in that 5 minute. That's crazy. Futures is still not at all-time highs, and this is where it gets a little bit tricky. Although the futures hasn't grabbed all-time highs, the currency has. So whether futures still rips all-time highs, I'm honestly not too sure. Yeah, I can do a lot, man. It can do a lot. Yeah, especially 15. Look how nice 15 was. Grab the lows, broke out. Absolutely booming. To me, though, this would have been amazing. $80 pips, nice. Amazing. Your community is the best. Thank you, Dan. I appreciate it, man. USD, Stevie. Thanks, Aaron. Yeah, no worries, guys. Good job. Good guys. You guys who did get it, well done. If everyone could donate me again, that'd be great. Commentary gave me the motivation to hold. Amazing. That's what we like to hear, man. Where to take 10%? Leave the 10%. I would let the 10% hit me at break even or 3,000, honestly. Thanks for the stream, Aaron. Yeah, no problem, man. Thanks, Aaron. You're the boss. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Good job to you guys who held the trade and actually executed. Well done. So you take nice 40 ticks in the last one. Amazing. Yeah, if I was still in this for like a 10% runner, I would honestly let this runner hit 3,000 or break even. Obviously, you have to do it on a personal, not top step. Maybe not 3,000, that's a bit of an exaggeration. But like, I would just see if it can run. And the power of these runners is if this runner keeps on running, that runner is an anchor for you to take positions later on risk-free. Whereas if you close full, well then you're starting from scratch every single day. Every single trade, I mean. Whereas if I hold this runner and I try to take some trades up here, some brand new trades, and them trades don't work, well guess what? I'm going to close this runner and I'm going to be flat. And I've still made more money because this is just a 10% runner. But that sometimes holding them runners, even if it's just 10%, that 10% can equate to like 2 to 3 trades of losses. So if I have a runner from here and I lose the next 3 trades or the next 2 trades, I can just close this runner and that breaks out them other trades. That's something that I did when I was swing trading a lot. It's one of the ways that I was able to grow my personal more. Is by never closing full. Welcome, Stevie. Welcome. You can't hedge on top step on futures, unfortunately, man. If you're in a buy and you try to take a sell, it will close the buy. 50 ticks. Thank you so much, Aaron. 2 contracts. Amazing, man. Well done. 40 ticks in the last one. Amazing. Discretionary or other type of trader? It depends, honestly, it depends. Sometimes, it depends on the market, to be honest. I have a very systematic approach to my entries, but I'm also very neutral. Yeah, I guess. No, I was in this buy from here. It just wicked me out. It pushed up and then wicked me out and then pushed. And this one, I just couldn't click buy quick enough. And that's just what happens sometimes. I just couldn't press buy quick enough. Should have a little button here, but it's very rare to see that. But like I say, all-time highs, that's what you expect to happen. That's why I was so surprised to see this, because at all-time highs, that's what you expect. Just a quick top wick and rip. Thanks, Legend. Done for the day. Next time we'll hit it. Yeah, absolutely, man. See you for pre-New York. Quickly shout myself out when this becomes a YouTube video, good man. I never really got into it, Jimmy. I could never set it up properly, and it was just a bit of a pain, to be honest. I didn't really use it. Honestly, you're the first trader that I have seen make honest opinion and not his back pocket. Truly thank you, and I'll be looking into your mentorship plans. Awesome, Stevie. I appreciate you tuning in. Like I say, even if you guys didn't make money today, hopefully you've learned something. If I only had someone to tune into every single day and listen to their thoughts and process out loud, I'd be way far ahead than what I am now. Should we buy the dip? Nah, not at all-time highs, personally. The only way I buy the dip at all-time highs is when I have structure to the left. Like when you're actually peaking all-time highs, like here, at all-time highs like here, there's nothing to say this can't rip up, and there's nothing to say it can't rip down. So at all-time highs, I let it rip up. I give it like 2 to 3 hours, let price develop, and then I trade because I've got price action to the left. So if you're looking at this now and it's ripping all-time highs, you don't buy here. I'll let price, develop for a while, then boom, then I can get back in. That's a terrible drawing, but yeah. But would I buy here? No. Would I sell here? No. I wouldn't do anything up here. I'd let price develop, create some structure, create some liquidity, and then I would trade to you still got all of New York session as well. Yeah, Magic is supposed to be good. Yeah. It is supposed to be good, but it's very rare that there's opportunities like that where it's like I have to click it like at the second of the close, so it would kind of just sit there, which is what it did do. Just had dinner, so I missed some stuff. Okay, man. We're waiting to trade till tomorrow. I'll be doing some analysis probably closer to New York session. We'll jump on the pre-New York market call. Nice one, Mikey. Appreciate it, man. What days are you in New York session? Because I have only Wednesday and Thursday off. I do the pre-New York market calls in Discord every single day, man. What did the DAX end up doing? Copper not quite closed below just yet, which is fine. What did the DAX do? Not much. Literally checked it as it closed. Thanks, man. Good job, man. Well done. Locked out for the day. Catch you. Yeah, awesome, guys. Yeah, Zoom, guys. I'll let you guys go. Very long session today. Had you guys for quite some time, but shared a lot of value. And I'll see you guys for the pre-New York market call. Like I said, you guys don't try and trade these all-time highs. Just walk away. Go do anything other than watching these charts because you'll FOMO in some trades. And I'll see you guys for the pre-New York market call. Cheers, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye, Zoom, guys. Bye-bye. Cheers, guys. All right, YouTube, guys. I appreciate you all taking the time to tune in. A very long session today, but hopefully very valuable session for you guys. Called these all-time highs buys. All-time highs buys. All-time high buys. Whether you guys got it or whether you didn't, it doesn't matter. As long as you guys learn something today, that's what it's all about. I won't be live tomorrow. I have to take him to the vets because he's hurt his paw. So I'll be active in Discord tomorrow, but unfortunately I won't be on the stream. But I'll be back to the London streams same time again on Friday. And remember, guys, I have a very key video coming out tonight about when to go full time in trading and when to quit your job. So be sure to stay tuned for that. I'll be out and around like 3 to 4 hours ish. So trade safe the rest of the day, guys. Gold's at brand new all-time highs, which we experience here live on stream. Anything can happen up here. You can keep pushing or you can keep dipping. We don't know. Nor is it our job to try and predict that. So I'll see you guys on the live stream or in the new YouTube video later on. Talk to you guys soon. Trade safe. Peace.